Welcome to our channel. Mywifiext net setup made simple. Improve your internet. Plug it in. Yeah, start simple. Plug your extender into a wall outlet near your router. Don't overthink it. Wait until the power light turns solid. If it's blinking weird, move it to another outlet. Sometimes it just hates certain sockets. Connect to the Mywifiext network. On your laptop, phone, or whatever, open Wi-Fi settings and look for the network named something like Mywifiext setup or netgear_ext. Connect to it. No password yet. Sometimes there isn't one. Just get in there. Open the setup page. Fire up a browser and type http://mywifiext.net. Yes, literally that. If it doesn't load, try 192.168.1.250. This is the classic, it won't load until you do exactly this phase. Scan for your Wi-Fi. Once you're in, it'll ask you to pick your existing Wi-Fi. Choose your home network. Enter the password for your main Wi-Fi. This step is where most people screw up. Make sure the password is correct. Caps, symbols, everything matters. Choose your extender network name. You can leave it as netgear_ext or rename it to something you'll actually recognize. I usually just slap _ext at the end of my main Wi-Fi so I know which one I'm on. Click Next. Finish setup and move it. The extender will reboot. Wait for it. Once the lights stabilize, you can unplug it and move it somewhere in between your router and the dead zone. If it's too far from the router, it won't work. Too close? Meh, pointless. Find the sweet spot, usually halfway. Test it. Connect your phone or laptop to the new extender network. Open some pages, stream a video, do whatever. If it's slow, nudge the extender a little closer. Sometimes it's literally a few inches that make the difference. Thank you for watching.